There's a lot of activity going on. There's a creek right down, running through this ridge, running all the way down. And I find that it's very dry. The creek is dry. Not as many egrets like there were the other day. I did spot a couple, but for the most part, there's a lot of birds that prefer shallow waters, such as you know, sandpipers. I spotted some spotted sandpipers, some sanderlings, killdeer, lots of variety. And the blackbirds right now are just going crazy. I don't know what they're doing. It's mating season. But you know, it's nice to look for these vernal ponds. Vernal ponds are basically ponds that are formed because of rain, like most ponds, but these ponds usually dry up rather quickly. They form and dry up rather quickly. I'm looking for some glossy ibises. Let's see. I hope I get to find some. I heard that there were some here. Haven't seen any yet, but anyway, I am gonna go and try hiking across the park in search for more critters. Across a beautiful snowy egret that's kind of lurking in this vernal pond right over the hedge. Decided to camp out here too because of the shade. You get a little moment of shade, hoping that this egret comes within camera shot. He seems a little too far away. But you know what? I'm going to try to take some shots anyway. As a wildlife photographer, we forget sometimes that the environment plays a key role in our compositions. You know, the animal should be seen, should be captured, so that you get a sense of a symbiotic feeling between animal and its natural habitat. And even though this egret is so far, it's about 50 yards away, I want to capture it along with a little bit of water, a little bit of lush vegetation. It's not always about the close-ups, folks, you know? So we'll see. Whew. Well, that about does it for me, guys. Was only out an hour today. I just fell victim to the sun. Oh man, it's pretty hot out. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Remember what I said about the flowers and what I said about shooting wildlife. When it comes to your wildlife and your environment, it's always important sometimes to, you know, put emphasis on the environment as well as the animal. Yes, a nice close-up is good sometimes, but sometimes the animal is in a situation where you can capture a reflection in the water. Maybe there's a lot of space behind the animal, which gives opportunity for beautiful bokeh in your background and nice shallow depth of field, which adds impact to the shot. And sometimes the perch is nice, you know. Sometimes a bird is perched on a beautiful plant or a beautiful tree, you know, with some beautiful vegetation around it, which adds an element to your shot. When it comes to photography, the more elements in a photograph, the better. I've said that in past videos regarding landscapes. You know, if you can get out and shoot a landscape with snow on the ground as opposed to no snow on the ground, it will always add an extra element to the shot and hence extra drama. So anyways, I'm out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and be sure to like my videos. I would appreciate it. Until next time, guys, enjoy the weather, enjoy the exercise, and until then, bye for now.